Ooh, okay, this space looks crazy. It looks cray-cray. So this is the before. I have another one of these stripper pole plant poles that's going up over here, and I definitely not, maybe not in this video, maybe it will be, I don't know, that's my phone. I want to get another clamp light to go there to help bring a bit more light over here, but again, I don't know if it's going to be in this video. I feel like Makeup Shayla, because she talks like so yeah, doing a lot of cleanup. Been cleaning all of this. I've been cleaning all of this, so yeah, it's always really good to just wipe everything down, make sure everything watered, fertilized, so on and so forth. The lighting is horrible, sorry y'all, but this is what we have to work with. So yeah, this is a little vlog style video, so I'm gonna get to try to film whatever I can. Wish me luck. Alright y'all, I have to like put all of this together. Sorry for the foot. Alright, let's pause that. Hi everyone. Alright, so I'm putting my stripper plant pole up. I already have one of these I got last Christmas, and of course the commander-in-chief is here. So I already showed you all in the previous clip, but I got another one this Christmas, got gifted another one, so I'm so happy. I'm gonna put them together, well, put it together, and wish me luck, because I remember last time it took maybe like a half hour or less to put the first one together, so hopefully this time it takes less time for me to put it together because I've already done it. But yeah, let me show you on my face. Okay, all right, so this is me right now. I showed you all the stripper plant pole that's in the box, but this is what I'm talking about. I have one already and I love it so much. This one is the 5-tier one that I got last Christmas, and then I found out that they had a 7-tier one, and I'm like, why did I make such a futile mistake? But nevertheless, I asked for it again this past Christmas 2020, so I was gifted it. Super happy, super grateful, super thankful about that. So that is what I'm going to put up. I'm going to try my best to do it vloggy style for you all, but if I don't, then do forgive me. Yeah, so that is what I'm gonna go put up. I've been cleaning my plants, and I've been cleaning my room. I haven't been cleaning my plants. I've been cleaning my space for my plants and getting my room back together. It's Saturday, so I'm sorry, is this shaky? Oh, I probably should get a tripod, which I have like 6 of them literally surrounding me. I have like 6 tripods right now out. But yeah, so let's get to putting the plant stripper pole stand up. All right, y'all, I got my tripod. I'm gonna go ahead and put this plant stand together and play my music. Alright, y'all, so I completely forgot that I'm supposed to be filming this, so I've been removing like a bunch of stuff from back here. So I have like just like extra pots, huge pots that I'm gonna again try to like retrofit back there, but a lot of things are gonna get moved, thrown out. I need to get my space clean together because clutter does nothing for me. I don't know if you're like me, but clutter does nothing for me. Sure, Footy. Always. Bunch of dead plants. This was a begonia. Trash. I need to like gather all my pots up and put them all in my plant closet that I actually have. I have so many places to put my plant items. So that's also what I've been doing, collecting a whole bunch of plant pots. So I have this greenhouse. The bottom is somewhere here. And I've been thinking of bringing this to my job, so I think I'm gonna pack this to take to work and actually create a little greenhouse in my office. So I'm gonna take this to the office with me. So, oh, here's the bottom. You can't see it, but it's this thing right here. Oh no, this thing right here. So I'm gonna give it a clean. It's so beautiful, isn't it? I got it from Pier 1 when it was closing this summer 2019. Oh my gosh. These are little cute saucers from this Thai place called Mondays Off. So I have them. Oh. So cute! So cute! Otra, otra noche, otra. I've gotten inquiries about these, my little mini plant trellises, so I will actually start selling these, but I gotta make more. So keep an eye out for my mini plant trellises. They did so well in my HauzPlant favorites box. This is from one of my good girlfriends, her baby shower. So cute. My cats be like all over the place. Ugh. I have my stack of Harry Potter books. I have book 4, book 1, and book 2. I'm missing book 3. And then I'm mixing like a couple more, but I have like the first editions, which is amazing to freaking own. Alright, so I'm gonna go get the plant pole now. Got a bunch of boxes and shit that I don't even know what the fuck is in here. Alright. More stuff that I really don't need. I'm back. So let's go back here. This here controls how high, like the length of the pole. So I'm just gonna measure it to my ceiling, and yeah. Super easy, y'all. Super easy. I don't know if this looks crooked on the screen. I hope it doesn't. I hope it's not. But I hope it looks straight. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the arms like the bowls, and yeah. Okay, y'all. So this for so for this part, really easy. This thing goes inside of these little like nails, rivets, whatever I don't know what they're called, but it goes in that. And all you have to do for right here, right? Can you see? So high up, maybe this one. All you have to do is unscrew this. Put this in, line it up. And just like that, really easy. If you're interested in this plant stand, I will have it linked below. It looks so nice, y'all. Look at it. Oh, I'm so happy. Ta-da! Ta-da! Yay! Oh my goodness. So I think I'm gonna cap this video right here. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. My radio is really loud, but thank you so much my salty pecans for watching this kind of like clean with me sort of video. I don't know what plants I'm gonna put on this stand just yet. I'm gonna look through my collection, check and see what fits there nicely, and rearrange things around. But yes, all right, I will see you all in the next one. Bye, let's get growing.